Have you ever wondered why some educational reforms succeed while others fail? The answer often lies in curriculum implementation. It plays a crucial role in educational success. In just a moment, we'll break down everything you need to know about it. Curriculum implementation is the actual practice of teaching a designed curriculum. It's not just about creating a curriculum, it's about putting it into action. Effective implementation determines how well educational reforms fare. Without proper execution, even the best plans will falter. Let's explore the key elements involved in curriculum implementation. First, we have the conceptual framework of the content. This involves understanding the principles that guide what needs to be taught. It's about grasping the theories behind the curriculum. Second, organized assistance is essential. This includes support for teachers. They must be equipped with coaching, demonstrations, and opportunities to practice. This helps ensure that powerful instructional strategies are used effectively in classrooms. A successful implementation strategy involves identifying best practices, preparing instructional materials, and supporting teachers. Schools should compare current teaching methods with desired ones. This gap analysis helps highlight areas needing attention. Regular professional development is vital. Ongoing training ensures teachers are up to date with instructional strategies. Monitoring the implementation process and involving all stakeholders enhances engagement and success. Next, we have the agents involved in curriculum implementation. Teachers are the key players here. They adapt the curriculum to fit their teaching style and student needs. Their approach directly influences how effectively the curriculum is delivered. Evaluating the effectiveness of an implementation is crucial. There are three measures to consider: perceived success, behavior change, and fidelity of implementation. These help stakeholders understand if goals were met and if the implementation was true to plan. Then, let's examine the types of interactions that occur during implementation. There's mutual adaptation, which is a change that occurs in both curriculum and environment. Non-implementation happens when neither changes. In contrast, curriculum adaptation reflects changes made to cope with resistance. Several factors affect the implementation process. Characteristics of the curriculum, the institutional setting, and federal policies are major aspects. For example, a supportive principal and motivated teachers can significantly enhance success. Barriers also exist. Shortage of resources or time can hinder effective implementation. Organizations facing turmoil often struggle to implement changes successfully. Understanding fidelity of implementation is essential. It measures how closely the implementation follows the original plan. Studies show that fidelity affects the overall success of educational reforms. Measuring fidelity can include adherence to the program, the amount of material delivered, and the quality of interaction. These aspects collectively provide insights into how well the curriculum has been implemented. Finally, let's highlight the importance of strong teacher training, clear program characteristics, and effective organization. These elements lay the groundwork for successful curriculum implementation. To summarize, curriculum implementation is critical for educational success. It requires understanding, organized support, engaged teachers, and regular evaluation. A successful implementation not only meets set goals but also genuinely enhances the educational experience. Now, what can you do next? If you're involved in education, consider assessing the curriculum at your institution. Identify areas for improvement and engage your peers in discussion. Together, we can make educational reforms work for the betterment of students everywhere.